Welcome back, kids. Today we are going to learn English subjects. Here, topic is Young Scientist. Lesson number 30. Now we will see what is in this lesson. Now here, lesson number 30, Young Scientist. And in this lesson, we will see two experiments. Okay. So first is a fountain at your fingertip. Now, for this experiment, you need plastic bottle, balloon, piece of stiff plastic tubes, then scissors, glue or adhesive tape. Okay. So, what you do? Now there are some steps to do this experiment. So, first step is here. Look here. Make a small hole in the lid of the bottle and insert a small plastic tube or straw through the hole. Secure the tube with the help of glue or adhesive tape. Okay, this is the first step. After that, second is make a small hole in the side of the bottle near its bottom. So look here, we can see here a tube at the bottom of bottle. So it's the first step. Lid of the bottle, here is the first straw, and then second step is here to make a hole at the bottom of the bottle and then adjust the straw. Okay, so insert another piece of straw or tube in the hole and secure it with the help of glue or adhesive tape. So you can use here glue or a tape. After that, now place a balloon in the bottle and fit its mouth on the rim of the bottle as shown. So look here. Now you have to adjust or put a balloon like this on the top of the bottle. Okay, and then stuck through the hole in the side of the bottle. What do you see? Yes, the balloon gets inflated inside the bottle. Okay, so next step is here. This is the fifth step. Okay, so now cover the hole in the side with a finger and pour water into the balloon. Look here. In this picture, we can see that the water pour in the balloon. Then put the lid with the straw on the bottle and screw it on tight. पानी डालने के बाद आपको वो जो लीड है बोतल का वो टाइट करना है, लगाना है. Then remove your finger from the side hole. Now this is the side hole which is at the bottom of the bottle. Now remove your finger. Okay, and what do you see? You can see that a fountain leaping out of the straw in the lid. And then note how long your fountain lasts. So look here in this picture, we can see that this is the long fountain. Okay, so this is first experiment. Now I will show a practical of this experiment. Okay, so look here.
A stiff straw, a refill, etc. Now make a small hole in the lid of the bottle and take for a piece fruit juice straws and press fit it in the lid. There should be no leakage. Then take the stiff bottle and on the cylindrical part near the base make a hole with the scissors and press with another stiff straw. Apply glue on the joint so that there is no leakage of air. Wait for a while for the glue to dry. Then place a big balloon inside the bottle and then stretch the mouth of this yellow balloon on the mouth of the bottle. Now, suck through the bottom straw and the balloon would be inflated. After inflating the balloon, shut the mouth of the bottle and then shut the bottom white straw and the balloon will remain inflated. Now fill the bottle with water and the water of course would be contained inside the balloon. Once the balloon is full of water, gently screw on the lid and then you release your finger from the bottom straw. The balloon will begin to shrink and that pressure will push the water up into a lovely fountain. The water would keep coming out from the sprinkler for a fairly long time. It's a very simple experiment to perform, uses the simplest materials too. Here you can see the water coming out.
Have you seen it? It's interesting, na? So you can also do this experiment at home, but with your parents' help. Okay? Now we will see the second experiment of this lesson. And this is a shower at your fingertip. Now here things are needed: a can with a wide base and a tight lid, then a nail and a hammer. Now in this experiment you can also use a bottle. Okay, first here are some steps to do this experiment. So first step is here: make a hole in the base of the can using the nail and a hammer. Take care not hurt your fingers. So look here, in this picture we can see that here they make a hole in the base of the can, okay, with the help of nail and hammer. After that, here second step: make a number of tiny holes in the lid of the can as shown. See that your holes are evenly spaced as in a sieve, like this. Okay, then now cover the hole in the base with your finger and fill the can with water. Then fill it with water. After that, put the lid on the can. This lid is with the hole, so put this lid on the can. Then invert the can, still holding the finger on the hole. Now look here. Here, hold the can over a plant and remove your finger from the hole. Now what do you see? Remove your finger. After removing fingers, you can see the plant gets a shower. Okay, and then put your finger on the hole again. What happened? The shower stops. Now in this experiment, use this homemade watering can or bottle also. Okay, to water tiny plants you can use bottle also or watering can also. Now can you think of any variations or modifications or improvements in these toy fountains? If you want to suggest, then write on your notebook. Then try them out and write your observation. Okay, so here we have seen experiment of shower which is at your fingertip. Okay, so here we will again see the practical of this experiment, a shower at your fingertip. So look it carefully.
This is a very simple experiment which little children will truly
can also
enjoy.
use
You just
bottle
need a
here.
plastic bottle and a thumbtack and a scissors. Make a small and a neat hole with the scissors in the bottle lid. This is the lid with the hole. Now fill the bottle with colored water. And once the bottle is full of water, screw on the lid tightly. And then close the lid, the hole in the lid with one finger. Press the bottle and make 7-8 holes all around the periphery of the bottle near its base. You can see small streams of water gush out. And as you open the hole in the lid, water would emerge like a shower. On shutting the hole, the water will stop. It's like a beautiful water shower for little children, also like magic. And you can see these two girls enjoying this toy thoroughly.
This is also good experiment, and you can also do it at your home. And take a help of your elder brother or sister or your parents. Okay, so today we have seen two experiments of fountain and shower. So here your homework is try this activity at home with help of your parents. I hope you like this. So thank you. Bye.